The dead internet theory suggests that 60 to 70% of the... The dead power theory. Tuloy pa ba natin ito?
Yes.
Sir! Okay. Sige, stay your lights there. I'm gonna use this as an example. Blockchain 101. Again, as I mentioned, we want to remove all the fakes in the world, and blockchain can help you to do that. Am I wearing color black now? Yes. So imagine yourself as a computer, and the light, for example, that light is a computer and your cell phones are server. So, sabi nyo, naka-color black ako ngayon, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So when you say that I'm color black, hindi ko naman kayo pinilit, di ba? Everyone said yes, right? Yes. Now, imagine yourself as nodes. Okay? Bakit mahirap i-hack yung blockchain? Kasi kung kayo nodes at data ako, kailangan ko kayong i-convince lahat na naka-color white ako. Are you getting the picture? So imagine niyo, nag-send ako kay Alfred ng Bitcoin, dadaan lahat sa inyo yun. Kailangan nyo i-confirm as nodes. Alright? Now, bakit siya mahirap i-hack? Kung i-hack ko kayo, kailangan kong i-convince, as I mentioned, lahat kayo. Eh ngayon, si Alfred sabi niya, hindi, si Paul naka-color white. So technically, what's happening is wala siyang ilaw. Ang mangyayari dyan, i-kick out siya ng lahat ng block. Simple explanation, that is blockchain.